If you've ever traveled outside the United States, you know that other countries use Celsius rather than Fahrenheit to measure their temperature. So let's figure out how to convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Suppose I see on the news that in another place it's 35 degrees Celsius, and I'm just wondering, what is the weather like there? I can use this equation. Fahrenheit temperature equals 9/5 times the Celsius temperature plus 32 degrees. So I start by substituting in the 35 degrees Celsius in place of the C in this equation. When I do that, I want to put parentheses around the C. So I'll put parentheses around the 35 and then add my 32. So following my order of operations, I would multiply 9/5 times 35 first. A fraction times a whole number, I would change the whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. And then I can multiply 9 times 35 and 5 times 1. Or I could cancel the 5 first with the 35. 5 goes into 35 7 times. And so this is 9 times 7, or 63, plus 32. And so that would be 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's pretty warm if it's 35 degrees Celsius. All right, so a comfortable temperature in my house would be 68 degrees Fahrenheit. How would I change that into Celsius so that someone in another country could understand what I'm talking about? So that's a different equation. I can take this equation, Celsius temperature equals 5/9 times the quantity Fahrenheit minus 32. And so I start with my Fahrenheit temperature of 68. I put that in place of the F. So 68 minus the 32. Because that's in parentheses, I will do that part first. So 68 minus 32 would be 36. And then I'm multiplying 5/9 times 36. So I'll put the 36 over 1. I see that 9 goes into 36 4 times. So this is 5 times 4, or 20 degrees Celsius. So 68 degrees Fahrenheit, comfortable temperature in my house, is the same as 20 degrees Celsius.